Ever wanted to hunt for Higgs bosons at the Large Hadron Collider? Well, now you can. Hunting the Higgs is a hugely interactive show, which sees audiences undertaking all the steps of the scientific method required to discover the Higgs boson for themselves, and in so doing, learning the value of applying that method in their everyday lives. The Higgs boson is a fundamental particle linked to the mechanism that gives other fundamental particles their mass. Studying the Higgs boson's properties is one of the key goals of the Large Hadron Collider. The LHC smashes millions of protons together every single second, but only one Higgs boson is created in about 1 billion collisions. So how can we track down these elusive Higgs bosons? Well, Higgs bosons created in proton collisions rapidly decay to well-known combinations of particles, such as electrons and muons. These particles stream through monstrous particle detectors, such as ATLAS and CMS. So by detecting these sprays of particles and projecting them backwards in time and space, we can sometimes track down the exact decay point of a Higgs boson. During hunting the Higgs, audience members are presented with rapidly changing snapshots of LHC collisions and asked to decide whether they represent the decay of a Higgs boson or not. Do they want to keep them or not? Teams have to work together to capture as many true Higgs boson candidates as possible and reject as many false positives as possible. All this under time pressure and the threat of penalties for their collaboration. This simple game showcases cutting-edge particle physics algorithms and also the necessity for patience, diligence, and collaboration in any scientific endeavour.